Hello and welcome. I'm Savory from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make a delicious breakfast casserole with just a few ingredients. It's quick and easy. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, I like to cook my sausage in a skillet over medium heat until it is no longer pink. Once you're done cooking your breakfast sausage, go ahead and dice up your croissants. This is how it's looking after arranging your croissant into your baking dish. Now go ahead and set this aside. Then crack your eggs into a large bowl. Then add your milk. Season with black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Then give it a good whisk. Then pour that egg mixture over your croissants. After pouring in your egg mixture, go ahead and take your breakfast sausage and sprinkle that on top. Once you're done adding your breakfast sausage, go in with your favorite cheese. Now go in with some fresh green onions and make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake for 20 minutes. Hello guys, so my breakfast casserole is ready and it looks absolutely delicious and I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is so good. This is such a delicious breakfast, guys. Super easy to make. You can also make this overnight and pop it in the oven the next morning for about 20 minutes until it is nice and crispy on top. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.